Welcome to our channel. Proper posture and alignment are foundational to consistent golf. These techniques ensure you start every swing positioned for success. Step 1. Establish athletic posture by standing tall, then bending from your hips, not your waist. Your spine should angle forward with a straight back. Flex your knees slightly and let your arms hang naturally. Step 2. Check that your weight distributes evenly across both feet at address. Avoid excessive weight on toes or heels. Balance on the balls of your feet for stability and mobility. Step 3. Position the ball appropriately for each club. Driver sits opposite your lead heel. Irons move progressively back toward center. Proper ball position promotes optimal contact. Step 4. Align your body parallel to your target line, not at the target. Your feet, hips, and shoulders should aim left of the target in parallel alignment. Think railroad tracks. Step 5. Use alignment sticks during practice to train proper aim. Place one along your toe line and another on the ground, pointing at your target to visualize parallel alignment. Step 6. Develop a pre-shot routine that includes alignment verification. Stand behind the ball, pick your target line, then align your club face before setting your body position. Step 7. Maintain your spine angle and posture throughout your swing. Rising or dipping during the swing creates inconsistent contact. Step 8. Have a friend photograph or video your setup periodically to identify posture or alignment issues invisible to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.